Lavanya chemistry classes. In this video lesson I am going to explain about what is octet rule. Octet rule is the basic rule in chemistry. Octet rule is the basic rule in chemistry. For better understanding of octet rule, we must know what about atom and atomic nucleus, electrons and protons and neutrons. What is about? What is outermost shell? Now, this is the atomic nucleus. In the nucleus containing protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons. But electrons are revolve around the nucleus. Revolve around the nucleus at a certain fixed path. So these orbits are called as these paths are called as orbits or shells or energy levels. Each orbit having certain amount of energy. Each orbit can be named as K, L, M, N, O and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is the atomic nucleus. Nucleus consisting protons and neutrons. The electrons are revolving around the nucleus. And what is outermost shell? What is innermost shell? Very near to the nucleus, the shells very near to the nucleus are called as inner shells. But the distance from the outer distance, increasing distance, and the outer from the nucleus is called as outermost shell or last valency shell. Valency shell. In the electrons in the valency shell, so the electrons are called as valency electrons. What about outermost shell? Is outer from the nucleus. That means the atomic radius, the distance between the nucleus to the outermost orbit, that distance is called as atomic radius. In the outermost shell containing electrons, that electrons are called as outermost electrons or valency electrons. Now, what is octet rule? An atom must be stable. An atom must be stable. So, the atom possesses complete number of electrons. Complete number of electrons. So, the atom must be stable. The complete number of electrons. So, it is obeys octet rule. What the word octet means 8. An octopus, for example, an octopus containing 8 legs and the bird stop. It is in octagonal shape. This having 8 sides. These are the examples. That's why an octet rule means an atom will gain or lose. Gaining of electrons or losing of electrons to obtain 8 electrons in the valency shell. This outermost orbit consists 8 electrons must be possessed. An atom must possess 8 electrons in the valency shell. This obey octet rule. What is octet rule? The octet rule means an atom will gain or lose electrons to obtain 8 electrons in the valency shell. 8 electrons means noble gas configuration. That means nearest noble gas configuration. What is noble gas configuration? NS2 NP6 represents the noble gas configuration. What is noble gas configuration? Noble gases helium, neon, argon, krypton. These elements having noble gas configuration. It is a stable configuration. In other words, elements want to reach an electron configuration of the nearest noble gas configuration, that is NS2 NP6. In these noble gases having 8 electrons must present in the outermost shell. So it obeys octet rule. An atom must be stable. Complete number of electrons are present. So it obeys octet rule. For example, we taking NaCl. For example, sodium chloride molecule. In sodium atom consisting one unpaired electron. In sodium atom consisting one unpaired electron, and Chlorine atom consisting 7 unpaired electrons in the outermost shell. Sodium atom consisting 1 unpaired electron in the outermost shell. Chlorine atom consisting 7 unpaired electrons in the outermost shell. So the sodium loses 1 electron and chlorine gains 1 electron. Sodium loses 1 electron to give chlorine atom. Chlorine attains 1 electron from the sodium atom for completing octet configuration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 electron represents the octet. So an atom must be stable. A molecule must be stable. It obeys octet rule. It forms a NaCl molecule. Sodium loses 1 electron, so it attains positive charge, and chlorine gains 1 electron, so it attains negative charge. So the force of attraction between the electrostatic force of attraction between the positive and negative anion and cation, it forms a bond. An atom, what is octet rule? An atom will gain or lose electrons to obtain 8 electrons in the valence shell. An atom must possess 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. This represents octet rule. Look at this example. Look at hydrogen molecule. A hydrogen molecule containing 1 electron in the outermost shell. 1 electron in the outermost shell. It revolves around the nucleus, hydrogen nucleus. And another hydrogen atom consisting 1 electron in the nucleus, and it revolves around the nucleus. So in the hydrogen atom, each hydrogen atom containing 1 electron. For better hydrogen molecule, for stability, it gaining electron and losing electron to form a bond. For stability, helium gas configuration. This is the helium gas configuration. Helium is a noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration means Ns2 Np6 electrons in the outermost shell. 8 electrons in the outermost shell. It represents octet rule. It obey octet rule. For example, look at this example. LiH molecule, lithium hydride molecule. LiH having the 1 unpaired electron. 1 unpaired electron in the outermost orbit, and hydrogen having the 1 unpaired electron. For better stability, it bonding with, for a stability noble gas configuration, it attains a LiH molecule. For and another, look at another example, sodium chloride molecule. In sodium chloride molecule, the sodium atomic number is 11. The general electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. In this 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, this is the last outermost orbit is 3s1. The last outermost shell containing 1 electron, and second orbit containing 8 electrons, and first orbit containing 2 electrons. First orbit containing 2 electrons, 1, 2, and second orbit containing 8 electrons. Second orbit having outermost orbit. Second orbit having octet rule, 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But last outermost shell containing 1 unpaired electron. This is the out from the nucleus. This is the outermost shell or valency shell. And in the chlorine atom, the atomic number of chlorine is 17. Their configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. In this last outermost shell containing 7 electrons. Last outermost shell containing 7 electrons. Sodium containing 1 electron. 1 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons in the chlorine atom. 1 electron in the sodium atom. For your stability, sodium loses 1 electron to give chlorine atom. So 1 electron from chlorine atom. So sodium having octet configuration, chlorine gets octet configuration. So it forms a stable configuration. NaCl bond is formed. That is NaCl bond is formed. This is the octet rule examples. What is octet rule? The octet rule means an atom will gain or lose electrons to obtain 8 electrons in the valency shell. That means an atom possesses 8 electrons in the outermost orbit for a gaining of electrons and losing of electron. This obeys octet rule. Thank you so much for watching my videos.